Right. I'll give you a copy, Lashen. So please do edit according to that. And Inuka, are you getting any error? Finding the rank? If so, please tell me. I can help you.
Sir, I need a formula in rank. Get ranking.
Lashen, mata penne ane wage sheet එක Lashen. කොහෙද Lashen තියෙන sheet එක? Nimesh. Nimesh, okay. Hari, copy එකක් දැම්ම Nimesh. Added a copy. Okay, so how do we find the rank? Rank can be find equal rank. ඔයාලට පුතේ මගේ sheet එකට ගිහලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. You can go to my sheet and check. Equal rank E2. Rank E2 ගේ rank එක හොයන්න ඕන. මේ group එකෙන් E2 කීවෙනියද කියලා. E2's rank from E2 to E8. Why I put dollar? Because group is fixed. හැම වෙලේම හොයන්න ඕන කෙනා වෙනස් වුණාට හොයන්න ඕන group එක එකමයි. The group remains same. That's why I put dollar in front of the 2 and 8. 2 and 8 is not changing. 2 to 8. You always want to check from 2 to 8. That's why I put dollar in front of 2 and 8. So it's not changing. So this is the way that you should find the rank. Okay, let's do the grade also. So how do we find the grade? Grade you have to use if. Equal if. You can tell if average F2 is greater than or equal to 75. Is greater than or equal to 75. Then the grade should be A. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then when you copy that, you can see, so others it's false because only Misha got A. For others also I have to code. Again, if F2 is greater than or equal to 60, then it is B. Else, again, if this is greater than or equal to 50, then it is C. Again, if this is greater than or equal, this is a long function, right? Greater than or equal to 40, then it is S. If not, it is F. You have to close all the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether 5 brackets. Oh, that's one missing. F, B, C, S, actually one. It's missing. Okay, correct. Then you can copy the function. Sorry?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I have a question. Can't we use capital letters to this rank or if?
Possible. You can use.
Okay, sir.
No issue. You can use capital or simple. That doesn't matter because Excel is not case sensitive. You can use either capital or simple. Here you can see the function put there, right? You can see the function in the form. This here formula bar. Can you see? There's a long function that you can see here. Doesn't matter if you use capital or simple, but the logic should be the same.
Okay, sir.
What you cannot change is the logic. Who has done the lottery one, by the way? Now you see this. Who has done the lottery one? That is big challenging. Okay, I'll keep it. But tell me if you need any help, right? Tell me if you need any help, then I can help you finish this. Nimesh, I think your one is okay, right? You got a copy and you're editing, right? Okay. Nimesh, එකක් හොයාගත්තම පුතේ, you can copy the function. When you find that one thing, here you have found one thing, then you can go to the corner ඉමේජ් මේකේ කෝණ එකට ගිහිල්ලා මෙම් ප්ලස් එකක් එන්නේ ක්‍රොස් එක. මේ තියෙන ක්‍රොස් එකක් එන්නේ. මේ දකුණු අත පැත්තේ පල්ලෙහැ. ඒකෙන් වලට ක්ලික් කරලා drag කරන්න පුළුවන් image. Then everything will be filled. Right? Average උත් එහෙමයි. එකක් හොයාගත්තම ඉතුරු ඔක්කොම ක්ලික් කරලා drag it. That is called auto fill. Right? You can auto fill that. That is possible. Okay. This one also you can just copy and paste put it. Yes, I think you are typing one by one, but that is good. But you can just copy and paste. You can click and drag this and fill it. Right? So these are the possibilities. එකක් ලියාගත්තම ඇති. ඉතුරු ටික ටක් ගාලා click කරලා drag කරන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට automatically අනිත් ටික complete වෙනවා. Nimesh, I think you learned that, right? Okay, Lanindu's one is correct. Lanindu, I need your lottery now. Aditi, I think you are trying for the lottery. Good. Kusal, yes, good. Rank is found. Trying for the lottery. Chenita, yes, I think the lottery one. Chenita, you need a copy? If you need a copy, I can give. Otherwise, you want to type this from the beginning. That is effort, right? Okay, here's the one. You can just take this and fill the functions, formulas, etc. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nimesh. You are doing it in phone, mobile phone. Then it's difficult to copy paste, right? Yeah, I know. But you can use like, yes, that is okay. You can still do that. The copy pasting part is there in the mobile phone, but it's quite difficult to apply that. I know. Inuka. Inuka is trying for the lottery. I need the price, Inuka. Very good. So I think all of you captured that well. Some of you might have problems, so I need you to talk today. Please talk and ask. Then I can help you solving these questions. Right, I can help you solving these questions. Right, we have discussed now functions, formulas, and up to here. Right, we discuss functions, formulas, and different. Actually, we learn about the. So there are different number systems. Actually, you have numbers, currencies, accounting details, and short dates, long dates, date time, percentage, fractions. Right, fractions can be written here. So like this, if I want to write 11 and 1 divided by 3, this is a fractional number. It is possible. Then you can multiply this as a number even. Right? But you have to carefully write the fractions, because if it is aligned to the left side, it is not a value. Automatic alignment left side alignment, it's not a value. Right? You can write functions in this way in Excel, but not in the Google Sheets. මේ බලන්න. 3යි 3න් එක functions වල මේ විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන් Excel වල. Excel වල මේක right side එකට align වෙනවා. Then you can calculate. You can multiply that by 2. Right? It's aligning right side, so you can multiply. But here it's not aligned. 3, 1 divided by 3, it's not aligned. It's aligned with left. It's aligned left side. When it is aligned left side, it is not a number. But you have a way, you can write 3.33, then you can select that, and from this one, from the data, sorry, from the format, number, more formats, you can select custom number format. There you can select this, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, this format, and that will convert that to the a number here, 3.1. Then you can multiply. When it is aligned to the right side, it is treated as a number. But when it is aligned to the left side, automatic aligned to the left side, that will treat it as a text. That is another feature of Excel. Excel වල numeric number එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකක් හරි ඒක ගොඩාක් වෙලා ඒක සියලුම වෙලාවට number value එක දකුණු අත පැත්තට යනවා. හැබැයි අපිට බලෙන් align කරන්න පුළුවන් අනිත් පැත්තට. We can select and align that to the other side here. That is possible. But natural alignment, automatic alignment happens to the, for the numbers, automatic align is right side. For text, automatic align is left side. If a number align to the left side, here some people are typing like this, no? Samaru mande kadina RS කියලා dot එකක් තියලා value එක type කරනවා. Some are typing like this. This is aligned to the left side. Left side align වුණොත් අපිට මේකෙන් ගණන් හදන්න බෑ. Let's say two such things. This multiplied by 2. You can see it's error, value error. But if you just type 675, and from the number formats, if you apply format, number, currency, here Sri Lankan rupees, the rupee one, then if you multiply this by 2, that will happen. That will give the answer. So this is a currency, but this is not currency, this is a text. In the atin RS කියන එක write කරන්න එපා. So it should be a currency value, a number value. Number values are automatically aligned to the right side.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My question is actually not related to this lesson, but sir, can't we use emojis to grade?
Sorry.
Can't we use emojis to grade?
So it's nice question. So you're asking whether it's possible to graphically represent the grade.
Yes, sir.
Emojis and all. Yes, you can use it here. Actually, you have to introduce the emoji then, right? Maybe you have to type like this. Right? This is not emoji, but you can use ASCII characters. So if you are using a keyboard, let's say keyboard with a numpad, you can put Alt key and the number.
Okay, sir.
key එක press කරගෙන number එකක් press කරන්න පුළුවන්. This, then you can type an emoji, right? There as a
Okay, sir.
that is the possibility, right? Alt key and the likewise you can enter, or you can use ASCII here. You can search for ASCII emoji, sorry, and then you can get here. So there are ASCII emojis. Like you can use these things, maybe heart, let's say. Let's copy this. Going back to the Excel. Let's say for A, I'm going to give a heart. Oh, that's not added, is it? It's there. Let's copy this. Actually, it's coming for the A only, right? It's coming for A only. Let me edit the marks. I'm editing the marks, maybe 90 marks there and 90 marks there. And here also 80 marks, and you can see heart will come here. Okay with this? I think I gave the answer, right? Is that you want?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. But it should be like it should be recognizable character, right? ASCII character. Recognizable.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's
what is the website? Copy this emoji.
I just got just randomly searched this. This is ASCII-emoji.com. ASCII-emoji.com. So most are actually recognizable by text editing software. ASCII-emoji.com.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then I'll stop with that for today. Next day I'll discuss the chart part. Actually, we have very few charts, and then move to the next lesson. That can be done next day. Then please complete that and lock your sheet. Make sure to lock your sheet, otherwise others will delete that accidentally or purposely, I don't know. Please lock your sheet, protect your sheet, then no one will be able to delete that. Okay, then see you all
sir.
next week. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Good night.
Yes,
Sir, thank you.
Sir, how to save the spreadsheet?
you can download it.
Thank you.
Go to file and download.